Guys, my name is Sami Farooq, and it's been a long time that we haven't interacted properly. So, this is a new workflow we tested for one of our clients, and this is a basic workflow which is being integrated on our own website. In this, we are going to integrate Google Forms into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will make us a blog. It's going to be an AI generated blog, and it's going to be published on our own website. So this is the whole simple workflow on make.com. So this is Google Forms, it's OpenAI ChatGPT, which we have integrated through Whisper and DALL-E. There are certain text parsers tools involved, and lastly, an image generator, and it's gonna be on a WordPress domain. So firstly, we're gonna go onto a website, which is this blog post generation. We are going to write a blog topic, for example, best AI companies in US. Keywords would be AI automation, AI automation, artificial intelligence, remote work, efficient, so submit. Once we have submitted this, we're going back to the workflow and we're going to click on run once. So while it's being run, you can definitely see that it's going to take some time for like a minute or two. The OpenAI is basically working regarding its prompt and everything, and I believe it has been completed. Yes, so the workflow is complete. So we're gonna open this. So we've already given OpenAI the prompt, like you're a professional content creator and SEO specialist. And the prompt is this: create a short descriptive image prompt, image meta title, headings, blog content, please make a format, etc., etc., etc. So there's a text parser. It's an image prompt. We're gonna save this out. There are tools. There are meta title, blog titles, blog content, and coming to here to this, we have used DALL-E for an image prompt and done. So we're gonna go on our WordPress and see there. So we're gonna refresh this. We top AI companies in the US and automation and remote work. So we see this. So the AI generated video is images here. That's all coming in. Artificial intelligence, AI buzzword, etc., etc., etc. OpenAI, NVIDIA, Planter, and then we just click on publish. Post is published. We go onto our website, we refresh this, and we can clearly see that blog has been published automatically. So we don't really have to write anything or something of this sort, and it kind of was quite easy for us to generate and put like hundreds of blogs every day. I know and I understand that AI generated blog would not work, and for you have to do it. You have to manually change it a bit, which is quite easy, I believe. But this process, which is quite time taking, we can definitely automate this for you guys. And I'm looking forward to working with you all